In this video, we will learn about working with dates and times in C++. The first step to doing so is to import the ctime header file into our program using an include statement. To start out, we will create a variable of time t, named now, that we set equal to a time object with a value of 0 passed in. Time will return the current time, represented as the number of seconds that have passed since January 1st, 1970. This is a special date called the Unix epoch, which gives us a uniform date to use as the basis for working with UTC, which stands for Universal Time Coordinated. Another important feature of working with dates and times in C++ is the tm struct. It is responsible for holding date and time information. For example, let's create a pointer of type tm named nowLocalTime that we set equal to local time with ampersand now passed in. Before we move forward, I want to take the time to go over the different date and time information that the tm struct gives us access to, because it is important to understand the tools that the language gives you access to when programming. This table shows the information that we have access to. tmsec will give us the seconds, tmmin will give us the minutes, tmhour will give us the hour, tmmday will give us an integer value between 1 and 31, representing the day of the month. tmmun will give us an integer between 0 and 11, representing the month. tmyear gives us the year since 1990. tmwday gives us the days since Sunday. tmyday gives us the days since January 1st. And tmisdst gives us the hours of daylight savings time. Now that we know more about the tm struct, let's take a look at how we can work with it in C++. Next, we will output the year to the console. To do this, we print the result of 1900 plus the value of the tm year field. When we run the code, notice that the year was output to the console. Let's look at an example that is a bit more complex and combines using several of the tm struct's fields. Let's create an integer variable named month that we set equal to 1 plus nowLocal times tm month value. Next, we will create an int variable named day that we set equal to the tmmday value. Then we will create an int variable year that we set equal to 1900 plus tm year. After that, we will create an int variable named hour that we set to 5 plus tm hour. Next, we will create an integer variable minutes set equal to 30 plus tm min. Then we will have an int variable named seconds that we set to tmsec. The code we just wrote gives us a variable holding the current month, day, year, hour, minutes, and second. Let's output month, then a slash, then day, then a slash, then year, then a space, then hour, then a colon, then minutes, then a colon, then seconds, and finally a new line to the console. When we run the code, notice that the date information and time information for the current date and time are output to the console.